I'm Julia Olson. Today we're going to be going over how to properly remove a stuck mouthpiece from a brass instrument.
Mrs. Olson's Wretched Repair Shop!
Our special guest today is my trumpet. What not to do. Step 1, you want to make the distance between these two metal plates closer together. You can do that by alternating sides and going left to bring these together. You can also set it flat and sort of twist in unison. You want to keep them about equal or you're going to get stuck. So the cup of the mouthpiece is what's going to rest right here. So you want to sort of eyeball it. Here's your lead pipe, and you want to make sure that the cup of the mouthpiece would fit and that this bottom plastic lip is what's going to rest on the lead pipe. So you want to make sure that the two pieces are smaller than that distance. Next, you're going to unscrew these little red circles until these are moving freely. You're then going to go to the base of the lead pipe, trying to make sure that the lead pipe is in the center. And then once you have that centered, screw your little red plastic screws back into place so that it is resting on here. Now, at this point, it is not important that the cup of the mouthpiece rest in here. This is the important part because we're gonna vise this open. From here, you're going to lengthen the metal plates, and again, you wanna keep them at approximately the same, keeping your left and right sides the same. Now, once this makes contact with the cup of the mouthpiece, you're gonna start to feel resistance as it starts to pull. So just going slowly. Okay, right there, I'm feeling the resistance. Get both sides at the same resistance. Now here's where you have to kind of twist together. Yep, it already popped. So you'll feel this little, you'll feel a little pop when it gives, and then the mouthpiece should come right out. So if the mouthpiece is like really stuck, you can use pliers, and you sort of will just use those if your hands cannot physically turn the vices anymore. And by using the pliers, eventually it will create enough tension that the mouthpiece will pop out. So typically, I don't do this with it laying flat on a table. I was just doing that for demonstration purposes. Usually, especially if it's a trumpet, I just kind of put it between my knees. And I use my legs to kind of hold it in place. And in real time, that's getting the mouthpiece set. Set your black plastic things, center it up. Screw on your little things there. And again, that way, with the trumpet sitting up, I don't have to hold the bottom. I can just focus on equally bringing up the, there it goes. And sometimes it'll get stuck on one side. You just gotta kind of, there we go. There we go. Okay, I've got tension now between the two. And that's when you start, oh, there it was, popped. There you go. I hope some of you got some value out of this video. If you liked it, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.